Hello everyone, so for today is we're going to discuss this quadratic formula. So how this x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a is the solution for this ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So ide-derive lang natin itong c quadratic formula. So saan ba siya nanggaling? So first is we copy this ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we want that the coefficient of this x squared is must be equal to 1. So we divide all terms by a. So ax squared divides a, bx divides a, c divides a, and 0 divides sa a. So we getting that x squared plus b over ax plus c over a then equals 0. So we transpose this c over a to the right side. It's giving us x squared plus b over ax is equal to negative c over a. Now, gagawin natin is the completing the square. So, ang ginagawa sa completing the square is, kinukuha natin yung kalahati na itong b over a, then ini-squared, tapos i-add sa left, and then sa right side. So, parang mag-add lang tayo ng plus b over 2a squared to this left and right side. So, we have this x squared plus b over ax plus the square of b over 2a then equal to negative c over a plus the square of b over 2a. Ayan. So, copy ko lang siya to the next page. X squared plus b over ax plus the square of b over 2a equal to negative c over a plus the square of b over 2a. Now, ito makikita natin na ano siya? Perfect square trinomial. So, we can write as simply the squared of x plus b over 2a. Ayan. Etong term na to is we can write as simply like this. And then, is equal to negative c over a plus, eto, i-distribute natin yung squared. So, we're getting as b squared over 4a squared. Now, simplifying this further or pag-add din natin yung mga fraction. So, copy lang natin to, x plus b over 2a. Then squared is equal to, the LCD of this is 4a squared. Now, 4a squared divides sa a, it's giving us 4a. Then multiply to the negative c, so we have this negative 4ac. And then 4a squared divides sa 4a squared is 1 plus times b squared is getting us plus b squared. Then, square root both sides. So, square root both sides. It's giving us x plus b over 2a is equal to, ito pwede na natin unahin isulat si b squared before c negative 4ac. b squared minus 4ac square root. So, mapapansin natin sa baba, we can simplify it further. So, pag na-square natin si 4a squared, it gives us 2a. Now, i-copy ko lang ulit sa next page. It's giving us x plus b over 2a is equal to b squared minus 4ac square root then 2a. Now, we transpose this b over 2a to the right side. So, it's giving us x is equal to negative b over 2a. Since this is square root, so we have the positive and negative values. Then, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, nagkaroon tayo ng positive and negative kasi we are solving for x. Then, we can observe that 2 over 8 are the same. So, we can combine simply like one fraction na to. Then, x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, now, this is our quadratic formula. If you are looking for a tutorial, just send a message to Matt Deal and get as low as 60 pesos. And see you to the next video. Bye-bye!